So this is the final project presentation, and what I have built is basically an interview platform that is powered by the N8N. And basically what will happen is whenever the user jumps in a dashboard, they can create the questions based on the resume URL. Also, this is the automation flow of the N8N engine. In the if statement, we have two conditions: either it's going to be a resume URL or it's going to be a custom URL. So it's an HTTP request or access data from the custom data that the user provides. Now if we look over here, then we have many things that we can do. So let's just say we execute the workflow, and after executing, we go to our BrightData testing API, generate send. So the respond to webhook now gives us all the questions that is generated from the assistant. So now what we can do is we can check out our data that the BrightData has extracted from us. Then we went to the coding section. We implemented some of the code so that whatever data we are accessing, it is in a better format. And then we send the data to our OpenAI model to generate the question based on whatever the scraping it has done over the LinkedIn. So if I go back to BrightData, we're going to see that it is a LinkedIn based web scraping. And also we have a condition where this node will be executed, and that will be when a custom data is provided. So if we send this over here, you're going to see this one over here will give us the result. So the workflow execution is successful. We can check out the response, and this is what we got. If we go back and back again, this is the BrightData verified node, and this is also being scraped by the LinkedIn. Now what we can do is we can test the application that has this integration. So what we can do is we can create the interview, we can upload the file. So let's just say is desktop is, so we can submit the interview, and what is happening in the backend side is we have the generate interview question, and this is what's essentially happening, that it is going to call the N8N URL endpoint, and it's going to give us the interview question result, and based on the PDF or the unique file name, we are gonna either enter this flow over here, or we are gonna enter this flow here. So we can start the interview. So we're going to start the interview.
Hello. Welcome to your technical interview with HireWise. I'm Alina, your AE interviewer, and I'm excited to learn more about you today. How has your day been going so far?
My day has been going great.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to our conversation.
So this feedback is also generated by the N8N engine. If we So this is the webhook URL that is generating the anytime response. And yeah, this is about the application and how it's actually working and giving a suggestion from this anytime workflow.